I don't think people understand just how magical paper can be. Let's turn it into Disney princess gowns. Imagine twirling in Belle's golden gown or Cinderella's sparkling dress, all crafted by you. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY Disney princess fashion. Ready to get started? First, gather some colorful paper, scissors, and glue. Don't worry, no fairy godmother needed. We'll show you step by step how to recreate those iconic princess looks. From Snow White's classic attire to Ariel's under-the-sea style, we've got you covered. Here's the magic moment. Watch as our paper creations transform into stunning, wearable fashion. It's like a fairy tale come to life. Feeling inspired? Give it a try and share your creations in the comments below. You might just become the next fashion royalty. Until next time, keep crafting and stay magical.